Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very good evening to all of you wonderful people. Myself, Muis Ahmad, son of Mr. Abdul Kalim. I am going to talk about the value of a teacher. My dear friends, teacher is the role model of a student. Teacher is the hero of a student. Teacher is the sole father of a student. And education without teacher is null. A teacher not only makes every student knowledgeable, but a better human being with all moral values. A teacher is the renowned king maker of the world. A teacher is the God-gifted armor of a student, who protects him, who analyzes him, and who rectifies him from all mistakes. My dear youngsters, a person who helps students to acquire knowledge, virtue, competence, manners via the practice of teaching is known as teacher. Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu anhu said, if a person teaches me one single word, he has made me servant for a lifetime. You know what is servant? Servant means ghulam, and that also not for a day, not for a month, but for a lifetime. From this quote we can realize and we can value the teacher, what the values given by him, and who? The fourth Khalifa of Islam. My dear friends, whoever teaches you one single word or one sentence, they are your teacher. You must respect them. What are the ways we can respect our teacher? My dear friends, wherever you see your teacher, salute them with salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It creates a love in their heart. Complete the task within given time. Accept his advice and apply it in your life. Tolerate his reprimand. It is the necklace of a flower. There is a popular proverb in the Urdu, Ustad ki maar phool kaha. It is a wonderful and genuine proverb. We must obey that proverb. It will help to succeed in our life. Then don't blame them. Don't raise your voice against their voices. Don't interpret when he is speaking something. My dear friends, every successful person had hidden a mastermind teacher who guided him to his destination. I will expose you with an example, the value of a teacher. Once upon a time, a man standing beside a road to cross it after red light reflects. He crossed the road when red light reflects. At the same time, some other people come there to cross the road. Among them, a man, instead of crossing the zebra cross, he has gone to other cross. Someone asked why. The man said that the road demonstrates the shadow of my teacher, and I don't want to step on his shadows. So, see where he locates his teacher. I wrap up my speech with an inspirational quote. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Thank you so much for listening me patiently. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.